Whether you are an experienced professional or just starting out, professional development is essential for staying sharp and climbing that career ladder. So, we're going to break down some killer tips to help you get the most out of your professional development journey. First of all, chart your course. Before you jump into random courses, figure out where you want to go. What are your career goals? What skills do you need to get there? Having a clear roadmap will help you choose professional development activities that truly drive you forward. Secondly, make the best use of many. Don't limit yourself to just one type of professional development. Mix it up. Take online courses, attend training workshops, join groups, or even read books. The more diverse your learning approach is, the richer your knowledge base becomes. Thirdly, don't be shy, ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Your instructors, mentors, or even colleagues are all valuable resources. The more you engage, the deeper your understanding will be. Last but not least, professional development shouldn't feel like a chore. Choose activities you find interesting and engaging. There is a world full of exciting and interactive professional development options. Find what sparks your curiosity. Remember, professional development is an ongoing journey, not a one-time event. So keep these tips in your mind, let your inner learner out, and watch how your career takes off.